Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube Shorts green screen. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow the simple steps. So basically, all we need to do now is just to open the YouTube Shorts, the YouTube mobile app. And basically, after that, we need to go to the Shorts. So to use the green screen, either you can start remixing with other people, and of course, it depends on of uh, the type of the shorts, and from here we can find green screen, and by clicking on green screen we will be able to modify on this one, and I'm just going to click on done. And now by processing we will be able to start recording our video on top of this one, since it is a green screen. So basically, when you start recording, you will be able to have your own camera that will be start showing here on the screen. And you can also, in the editing, you can start modifying it. And basically, you can start adding the filters, adding text, etc. And you can do the editing as for any other YouTube shorts that you are using or that you create. And basically, this is uh, all you need to do for the green screen. And of course, for the original video, you can start using any type of layouts that you would like, and you click on continue. And of course, you just start recording on top of this video. And here it's just some error that happens with the camera, and you will be able to publish it. When you finish, you can just add some titles and you add the tags to the video, and after that you will be able to start editing also your YouTube shorts from your YouTube studio, and you can start adding modification. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.